Hello and welcome to another video from the Dutchwatchdude. This time with my brand new Seiko SRPD83K1. That's a lot of information for a kind of small watch. Where will we start? It's actually quite easy. This watch is simply stunning. I was thinking about adding some Seikos to my collection because I had my kinetic watch, but I sold it when I needed some money to buy the Breitling, so I was kind of missing something in the collection. I did compensate very well because I bought two watches, this one and the blue bottle cap. The blue bottle cap will get a review a little later, not today, but probably in a week or in a week or two. And for now, I will keep it to this one. Probably, if you're a little bit into watches, you notice this is not the strap it came with. That is this one. This watch actually comes on a nice black nylon NATO strap. Nothing wrong with the NATO strap. It's a very nice strap. The strap is actually... oh, I did something not that handy. What am I doing now? This is better. I'm just very much into the flexible straps. People who follow me on Instagram did probably notice that I wear them a lot. I have them in all kinds of colors, unfortunately not in all sizes. This is a 22mm lug side, so this strap was actually fitting perfectly for my bottle cap. I needed some new ones because they are too big. The bottle cap has a lug size of 20mm. The thing that you cannot miss on this watch is it is black. It's not a little bit black, it's very black. It makes the watch a little bit sinister. As you can see, the bottom is still metal color. No, I thought maybe I can move the strap away. It's not a regular NATO strap, for people who are wondering. You cannot just put the strap off because it's actually mounted between the lugs, like always, but not in a loop. The strap is in a loop and you close it with the little hook. But I can probably show you. It's one part. You cannot remove it. Probably if you really try, you can put it underneath of this one, but you only risk to break the watch. So you just don't do that. But that's also the reason I cannot show the bottom of the watch. The crown, not signed. Probably none of the new Seiko 5s are signed. Another thing, it's not a screw-in crown. I don't think it's a big deal because the watch is only rated for 100 meters or 10 bars, so there is no need to have a screw-in crown. It feels a little bit more secure, but from the other side it cannot wear out, so I prefer this because I will never put it in that much water and I will certainly not dive with it. Maybe if I fall into the water I will swim with it, but by normal use it's just silly. The red is very nice. It's hard to capture on camera. In pictures it's really hard. In the sun it's even better, the color. But the best part, of course, is the lume is also red. This watch actually has red lume, and that is kind of unique. You don't see that that often on watches. The casing is hard coated. That means it can take a lot of wear, but sooner or later the black will get scratches. That will probably the first time you get really sad if you see it, but it is something that will happen, and if you wear your watch, you have to accept it. The bezel, one direction of course, not this one, but this one. As you can hear, 120 clicks. Feels very precise, very nice. It's just good designed and well built watch. You cannot expect anything else from Seiko, of course. The date wheel is in 2 languages. In this case, I thought it was Spanish and English, so I used the English. The Sunday is of course in red, like always, and what I really like is they use for as well the day of the week as the date, a black date wheel, so the watch keep his sinister black looks. Running, like always, perfect. It is the 4R36 movement. Well, you cannot do anything wrong with that. It's the 36A, of course, because it is day date, and yeah, it's hand windable. If you don't use it for a lot of time, or you don't have a watch winder, you can just wind it and put it on. You can also shake it a little bit, just what you like the most. I haven't wind it after receiving it, because to get it working, I just did wind it a little bit. 24 jewels, like always, and it's just an excellent watch. It's keeping time like a pro. I have this watch now for, it's the 29th. I did just something really silly. I take a look at my other watch, at the Kamasu, just to see what the date is. And you probably already noticed the same date is on the Seiko, because yeah, that's how things work. Excuse me. If you hear a sound on the background, it's my fan. It's here in Holland, kind of tropical, very wet also. At the moment we get everything on the same time, but that's why I have a fan running, because otherwise I'm getting so sweaty hands I will drop my watch. And I don't want to drop my watch, because I like my watch. You probably notice I'm spinning my watch around. I'm not doing that because I'm bored, but to give you a closer look on all the design elements of this watch. The ceramic bezel is actually very nice. It's matte, and just like the case, by the way. But it seems it will not scratch easy. Of course, I did not try it. I did wear the watch a few times. I even used it or wore it to work. If you just take a little bit care of it, you should just be able to do those things. I will try how much of a close-up I can make to show you the hands. From the 2 watches I bought at the same time, this one and the bottle cap, this one actually I love the most. It's slightly different than all the other watches that I have, and just this color combination, I've never seen it before. I've never seen somebody with the same watch. I mean, I know they are not rare or anything, because you can just buy it. No, not everywhere, but they are not hard to get. But I think the color combination will hold a lot of people back to buy it. I will get back in another review in, let's say, a month or 2 to see how the watch is holding itself, if the coating stay on the watch, if it is easy to scratch, if it keeps time still, and you will probably see a few different strap combinations. For now, I thank you for watching. Hit the notification button so you don't miss the review of the bottle cap. For now, thank you very much, and hope to see you soon.